cutting ties with things that bind my heart to this world. I love you and I'm willing, but I cannot keep you, girl. Welcome back everyone with another acoustic tutorial. Today we'll be covering Ticking by Bryan. I didn't record a video last week because it was Labor Day and I was a bit busy with family things and I didn't have time to record a video, so I apologize. But there will be a video every single Monday, this Monday, next Monday, unless there's another holiday. As I said, today we'll be doing Ticking. It was recommended by this guy right here. I saw it. He commented what he wanted me to teach, and I always listen to my comments. And so if you have anything that you want to hear, anything that you want me to explain how to play, please comment it down below. I'll definitely make a tutorial out of it if I can. Before we get into it, I want to say there is a little bit of fingerpicking in this song. I will not be teaching that. The reason being, I like to learn songs acoustically because I have an acoustic guitar and I play by myself. And I personally feel like fingerpicking feels better in a record when it's recorded alongside of a rhythm guitar and an electric guitar and the bass and drums and the vocals. Everything comes together, and that fingerpicking is it's just another piece to that grand picture. And if you learn the fingerpicking on its own and you play it by itself, you don't really get the whole story of the song. And if you sing along to that fingerpicking, it's gonna sound a little empty. At least in my opinion. If you have a different opinion, please comment it down below, and maybe I will teach the fingerpicking later. But for this tutorial, it would just be the way I would play around a campfire song if someone asked me to play the song, because I feel like that is just how it sounds best. So enough talking, let's get into it. The capo is going to be on the 2nd fret. 1, 2, put the capo right here. The chords that we will be using are an E major, A major, C minor, and B major. Got that? Cool. The strumming pattern. The strumming pattern, again, as the same as it was in smaller acts, it's different from the verses and the chorus. So I'll teach them separately. On to the verse. The verse goes in the order of E major, A major, C minor, and then B major. For the verse, you can do one of two things. Usually I like to start off with just 2 downs and an up, which would sound like this. I like to do that for the first and second verses because it's sort of picking up, the song is starting, and you're getting into it. After the first chorus finishes and the song has well enough started, you can switch to a down, down, up, which would be like this. So the way it would sound like in the first verse would be something like this. Wooden floors and coffee cups, stepped on and all used up, but I reckon that's what mornings are for. And everyone thinks they know me now in these closed-minded leave me towns, but I'm way too young to even know myself. And once the chorus happens and you go into the verse after the chorus, it might sound something like this. And all my friends have moved away. Some got jobs and some got saved, and they talk to me like I'm still that kid. Let's go on to the chorus. So the chorus has a different order of chords. The chorus actually goes E major, B major, C minor, and then A major. So just it's the same chords, but just in a different order. And the strumming pattern is actually just a down, 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 down. So it should be pretty simple. The way that sounds in action is something like this. And the way that would sound like with lyrics in there would be like this. 'Cause we was running down the interstate, and Lord, I wait another day, 'cause I ain't close to you. This time's ticking on the interstate, and Lord, I hate that I ain't close to you. So I'll be 100% honest with you. That right there is a little bit hard to time. So if you don't get it on the first go, it's okay. Just keep practicing. You'll end up getting it. So yeah, that was the verse and the chorus of the song. I'll do a playthrough of the first verse and the first half of the chorus, just because you've already heard it all. You don't have to hear all of it together. But here it goes. Cutting ties with things that bind my heart to this world. I love you and I'm willing, but I cannot keep you, girl. Philly by the morning and Ohio by the night. The thing about a long road is you can't hold on too tight. 'Cause we was running down the interstate, and Lord, I wait another day, 'cause I ain't close to you. So that was Ticking by Zach Bryan. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please click like, please click subscribe, and comment down any song that you would want me to make a video about. Also, I am releasing a single this Friday. I also released a single last Friday. If you want to go check it out, my links are in the description. So thank you so much. Have a great day. I'll see you next week.